All right, Rick. We're here at the module booking site settings right now.
You're completely right once again, Mark.
Can you tell me something about it?
Well, primarily this is only for the people who are using the booking site. If you don't use the booking site, you can dismiss this video because this won't apply to you. If you do use this booking site, please pay attention to this video because it will have some interesting features for you.
All right, and what does booking site active means?
Booking site active means literally as the words apply. Do you want to use your booking site or not? Now you might be reconstructing or you have got information on your booking site that for the reason you don't want to use it, then you click it and you won't be using your booking site active. If you want to make your booking site live so people can visit your booking site, you click it and people will be able to see your site.
All right, and where can I fill in my domain name?
Your domain name, you'll actually you'll be asked your domain name at the start of BookYou when you're creating your account. If you don't have a domain name or you want to change your domain name, please let us know and notify us, and we can easily change this for you.
All right. I see there Google Analytics. What is that?
Google Analytics, that is actually the tool we use to verify if the words we use in a site is actually useful or not. Now this is one of the marketing tools that we use to create extra bookings, so be very aware of what we're doing now, so pay close attention. First of all, you got to go to Google Analytics. Once you've gone to the site, they'll ask you if you want to register now. Make sure you register, and all you need after the registration is your UA code. You copy it and place it in here and you save. Is that clear, Mark?
Yeah, that's clear.
Cool. After you saved, you can go back to Google Analytics, sign in, and you'll get a beautiful overview of what is actually happening on your site and who is actually visiting your site. Now, the most important thing is, of course, these will show you how often people are visiting, where the peaks are, and you can maybe even question why there's a peak. Have you been marketing yourself, or are there other reasons why there might be a peak? Maybe advertisement in your branch. So the amount of people have been visiting your site, and these are the keywords that you've been found on. As you can see, the keyword at the top is the words you'll be found on most. The keywords you wouldn't have been found on very often. You might want to try and think about replacing those in the SEOs to other words to check if you'll be found more often on those. Is that clear?
Yeah, that's clear. And I see there the bounce percentage. What is it?
The bounce. Let's see, I think that is when we go to overview. It will tell you the bounce percentage. Now the bounce percentage is the amount of people that actually reoccur to your site. So maybe you're using words that are ineffective to people, so you'll be found on a word a lot. People come to your site, realize that's not the site they're looking for, and they won't return. Now in this case, we are using words that are useful because our bounce rate is very high. If you have a very low bounce rate, you might want to choose different SEOs or search engine optimizations to create a more effective bounce percentage.
All right, and how can I see what search words are successful and which weren't?
That's where we were just now. That is overview for traffic sources. Top words more effective, bottom words less effective, and play with the words to check out what words will be effective for your business. Is that does that answer your question?
Yeah, for sure. Will my booking site work without analytics?
Of course. Just to point out one more time about the keywords. Keywords, in this sense, are words that people type into Google. The Google site will pop up with all the different modules like here, and then if they click on you after using that certain word, that's how your keyword works, really. So that's what keyword it is. Now, your question was, will my booking site work without Google Analytics? Yes, it will. This is just an extra marketing tool for you to create more bookings for your website.
Or probably to analyze the visitors.
Exactly, and to analyze the visitors. So to check out where are my strong words, where are my strong words, where should I work on, does marketing work? So this will actually give you a very clear overview.
All right, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what is booking functionality?
Booking functionality, that's got absolutely nothing to do with Google Analytics. It's something completely different. That is on your booking site. If I go there, you can book someone straight away from the internet site. And right down the bottom here, you can place a request. Or if we go back to the website, you can choose to make a full booking, and then people are actually can create a full booking directly from the website. Now if you place a request and people place a request, it will look like this. It will be white in the center and it will say request. That means you can place another booking on top of that.
So it's no blockade, right?
It's not a blockade. It will only send out a request. Now if you've got a full booking option, it will show up red like this, and it's an actual blockade. And when you've got the full booking option, people can place an option as well as a booking. A option will show up yellow, a booking will show up red.
All right.
Now, if you've got any more questions about that, please go to the booking calendar and they'll explain exactly what the difference is between a request, a booking, and an option.
All right. Okay. The last question, Rick. Will I be able to use booking functionality without analytics?
Yes, for sure. Yeah. So that's something completely separate. Happy that answer was quite short and punctual.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Thank you, Mark.